Bitcoin is a digital form of money that works without a central authority like banks or governments. It allows people to send value directly to each other over the internet, making it the first successful cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency designed to operate without any central control. Instead of relying on banks, it uses a network of computers to manage and verify transactions securely and transparently. Bitcoin has two main features. First, it is decentralized, meaning no single person or organization controls it. Second, it has a limited supply, with only 21 million bitcoins that will ever be created, which helps maintain its value over time. To understand Bitcoin better, imagine a simple Python class. It sets a fixed limit of 21 million coins and tracks how many have been created or mined so far. Mining adds new bitcoins until the total supply reaches the maximum limit, preventing unlimited inflation like traditional currencies. Bitcoin transactions are sent between users over its network. These transactions are verified by independent computers called nodes. Once verified, the transactions are permanently recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, ensuring transparency and preventing fraud. Mining is the process that secures the Bitcoin network and allows new bitcoins to be created. Miners compete by solving complex puzzles to add new blocks to the blockchain. This Python function shows the basic idea, where a block is repeatedly adjusted until it meets a required condition called difficulty. Bitcoin stands out because it operates as a decentralized system without intermediaries. Its limited supply protects it against inflation that traditional currencies often experience. Additionally, every transaction is secure, transparent, and recorded on a public ledger accessible to all. In summary, Bitcoin is a digital currency that works without central control. It has a fixed maximum supply and uses a secure, transparent network to manage transactions. These features make it a revolutionary alternative to traditional money, offering financial independence and security.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.